In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit Solana into RedotPay, and then I'll show you how you can spend that Solana with a virtual or a physical RedotPay crypto card. So let's go ahead and deposit Solana, and then we'll be able to use it, right? So if you want to sign up for RedotPay at any point, there'll be a link in the description below, and it will give you $5 for free. So what we can do is we can go ahead and click on deposit on RedotPay. Then we need to choose Solana. So we'll scroll down and we'll find Solana, we'll click on it, and then we'll deposit Sol on chain. So click on that. So we'll click OK and copy the Solana address. Now we've got this address copied, we can head over to the wallet where we hold our Solana. So in my case, that is Trust Wallet. Now we'll click on Solana. What I'll do then is we'll go to send in the bottom left hand corner, and we can go ahead and paste in the address from RedotPay. I'm going to enter in the maximum Sol amount. We might need to do a little bit less though for the fees, but I'm going to do max and we'll see if it goes through. We'll click next. Confirm send. It's going to give us the breakdown. I'm sending $44. We can click continue. Yep, so that has been completed. And we're going to get a notification shortly in RedotPay that has been received. So as you can see on the homepage, you've got the deposit. It can see it coming in here. It is pending. And then shortly we'll be able to use that on a virtual credit card. So there we go. That has gone through. Now what we can do is we can go ahead and spend it. If you want to see me spend it on a virtual card, click on the video on screen and go ahead and sign up to RedotPay, link in the description, and claim $5 for free.